Hey, it's Chris. You got 3 minutes to talk about controls? Did you know you can have a mechanical system that consists entirely of high-performing equipment and still end up with a building that never hits its energy model? A lot of times, the reason isn't the equipment itself, it's the controls. In many projects, HVAC controls get treated like a commodity scope at the end of the design. The drawings are tight, the schedules are detailed, and then the control spec is vague, or it's written around a single vendor, or it leaves out the details that actually protect the performance. This is where the problems start. You end up with a system that can run, but it can't prove that it's running well. Trends are missing, alarms are noisy or non-existent, sequences get simplified in the field, the owner can't easily integrate dashboards or analytics, and if the building gets locked into a closed system, every upgrade becomes painful and expensive. Controls are the operating system of the building. Comfort, energy efficiency, and indoor air quality all live and die based on the sequences, the data you collect, and how easy you can maintain and improve the system over time. If you care about energy management and sustainability, you need a BAS that can verify outcomes, not just toggle equipment on and off. You need visibility, flexibility, and proof. When you specify controls, think in 4 buckets: interoperability, outcomes, data, and maintainability. Interoperability starts with the protocol. You're not just choosing BACnet because it's trendy. You're protecting the owner's ability to compete service, integrate systems, and evolve the building for the next 20 years. Open protocol should be paired with clear requirements for exposed points, documentation, and access to data. BACnet alone isn't enough if the system still behaves like a black box. Outcomes means you're not just specifying DDC controls. You specify what they should do. That is, the strategies, the logic, limits, and how the system responds to its faults. If the sequence is vague, the building will be vague. Data is where energy management becomes real. Trending, retention, and exportability aren't just administrative functions. They're the foundations to verify savings, maintain performance, and to support continuous commissioning. If the project has sustainability goals, you also need an energy measurement plan. Metering equipment and electrical panels is often the difference between we think it's efficient and we can prove it. Maintainability is what prevents drift. Great controls on day 1 mean nothing if the owner can't support them on day 500. Graphic standards, documentation, training, and a commissioning-focused turnover are all part of long-term performance. Too often, buildings with similar equipment end up with completely different outcomes. One hits its targets and stays stable, while the other one fights for comfort complaints and misses energy goals every month. The difference is almost always the quality of the sequences, the strategies, and whether the team can actually see the data and tune the system over time. Open protocol plus good trends in metering make improvement possible. Without it, you're just guessing. That's it for today. Thanks for spending 3 minutes with me. The control spec isn't just a paperwork exercise. It's where building performance gets protected or compromised. If you're working on a project right now, reach out. We can discuss the building type you're working on and what you're trying to accomplish. We'll talk about energy goals, electrification, indoor air quality, whatever you need. I can provide you starting documentation or just a second set of eyes. Together, we can ensure that your building can actually operate the way that you intend. See you next time.